The DJI Avata 360 is one of those products that hasn't officially launched yet, but it already feels very real. Over the past few months, enough visuals and details have surfaced to give us a clear picture of what DJI is working on. This doesn't feel like a half-finished idea or an experimental side project. It feels like DJI is intentionally pushing FPV drones in a new creative direction. A big part of that comes from the leaked images and early material that helped shape this conversation. Special thanks to Igor Bogdanov for sharing these photos, which have given creators and drone fans a much clearer look at what the Avata 360 might become. These visuals strongly suggest that DJI is building the Avata 360 around a true dual-lens camera system designed for full 360-degree capture, rather than simply adding a wide lens to a standard FPV drone. What really stands out is the focus on image quality. The rumored sensor size is much larger than what you'd normally see on an action camera, which points toward more detailed video, cleaner low-light performance, and greater flexibility in post-production. This feels closer to DJI's Osmo imaging philosophy, just reworked for flight. Another smart move appears to be how DJI is handling different shooting modes. Instead of relying heavily on digital tricks, the Avata 360 is expected to physically adjust its camera depending on how you're flying. In 360 mode, you capture everything and decide your framing later. When switching to FPV flight, the camera reorients forward, giving pilots the direct control and responsiveness they expect. That balance is key, and it shows DJI didn't want to sacrifice one experience for the other. Safety also seems to be getting a serious upgrade. The Avata 360 is rumored to use LiDAR for full-direction obstacle awareness. This allows the drone to understand its surroundings more accurately, even when the pilot isn't focused straight ahead. For a drone designed to film in every direction, this kind of real-time spatial awareness adds a lot of confidence without turning the flight into something overly automated. Performance improvements are expected as well. With newer transmission technology, longer range, and a more stable signal should be part of the package. Battery capacity also appears to be increased, potentially pushing flight time close to 25 minutes. For a ducted FPV drone carrying advanced camera and safety hardware, that's a meaningful upgrade. Visually, the Avata 360 looks more refined and purpose-built than previous models. The redesigned frame, improved weight balance, and cleaner styling suggest this isn't meant to replace the Avata 2. Instead, it's positioned as a higher-end option aimed at serious creators, which lines up with the rumored pricing. With all the uncertainty surrounding DJI in certain regions, the timing of this drone makes things even more interesting. The technology itself doesn't change, but availability and support could. Still, when you strip all that away, the Avata 360 stands out as one of DJI's most thoughtful ideas in years. If DJI delivers on what this drone promises, the Avata 360 won't just add another option to the lineup. It could quietly change how FPV footage is captured, edited, and experienced.